Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash stuffing $4.69 into my envelopes. So I'm going to first start off in my wallet. I have spending, which I'm going to take out the money I didn't spend this week. So in spending I have $5, $6, $7. So that's going to go into like some savings challenges. I don't have anything in groceries. And eating out I have $5, $10, $11, $12, $13, and then nothing in coffee, and then buffer I have a few dollars. I have $1, $2, oh I actually have a lot of dollars. $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7. Okay, so those are going to go into savings challenges, and then I'm just going to stuff this with my usual amounts, which for spending I'm going to do 30, so a 20 and a 10. Groceries is getting 80, 50, 70, 80. Eating out is 30, so 20 and a 10. Coffee is 20, so 2 10s. And buffer is 10, so 5 and then 3 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so wallet is all done for the week. Next, I'm gonna go into this binder right here and stuff this one. So in beauty, I'm gonna put 10. I already spent everything, so this one's just gonna have 10 now. $10. My thing, I was always getting caught in here now. Okay, so that's 10 now. Clothing is getting 10 as well. So now clothing has 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Content is getting $5. Okay, so now I only have 20, 40, 45. Oops, I forgot to write over here. So 23 and then 45. Costco is getting 10. Since I didn't have anything left over in groceries, I decided to stuff this one. So 10, 20, 21, $22 in Costco. 22. Disney is getting 5. So now I have 15 in Disney. Extra Debt is getting 25. 20 and a 5. So now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, $95 in Extra Debt. Nice. 95. Family is getting 10. I have a 20, so now I have 30 in here. $30. And family fun is getting $5. Oh, I still need to put a tracker. I keep forgetting to put a tracker in here. 20, 40, 50, 55 in fun. 55. Holiday decor is getting 5. And now I have 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. And holiday decor. 32. Home decor is getting 5. So now I have 10, 15, 20. In home decor, and then household is getting 20, which that is all it has. I just bought something yesterday, so now it has 20. Planner stuff is getting 5. I need to buy a planner. So this one has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. So I have more than enough to buy that planner. I have enough, I just don't know yet which planner I'm gonna buy. I still have to decide. Okay. That's 37. Target doesn't have anything, so I am going to put in 15. So that now has 15. Okay, so this one is all done. So now next is this one. No, sorry, not this one. This one. All right, so auto repair is getting 5. I just got my my little notification. I'm going to need a oil change soon, so that's coming up. So I have more than enough for that. So 100, 120, 140, 50, 55, 60, 160. Oops. Okay, so 160 for auto repair. Okay. Christmas is getting 15. 5. I'm almost at 500, so that's pretty good. Oh, my bills are messed up. Okay. 10 to 5. All right, so for Christmas, I have 1, 2, 300, 350, 370, 390, 400, 405. 405. Yes. 405. Electronics is getting 10. So now I have 1, 2, 250, 260, 270, 75, 76, 77. So 277 for electronics. 277. Oops. Emergency is getting 10. So now I have 1, 2, 210, 220 in emergency. 220. Furniture is getting 5. So now I have 50, 100, 105, 110. 110. Gifts is getting 5 as well. Since I didn't have as much this week, I did a lot of 5s and things just to get something in each of them. So I have 50, 70, 80, 85, $90. And we don't have any birthdays coming up, so actually in October we do. But I have enough. Registration is getting 5. Okay, so now I have 1, 150, 170, 180, 185. Is that right? No, sorry. 100, 150, 170, 175, 180. 180. Okay, so that's 180. Treat yourself is getting 25. I already have like 1,000 back in the bank to pay myself back. I'm gonna put 25 in here. Okay, so I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. So that's 121 plus 1,000, which is 1,121. Yes, 1,121. Perfect. Still have a ways to go to pay myself back, but getting there. Okay, so that one is all done too. Now I'm gonna go into my savings challenge binder. And the first one I'm gonna do is Go Wild. That one I'm doing 25 in this one. I think I get to color a llama, so that's exciting. Okay, so I'm doing 25 in here. Okay, so now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100. Okay, so plus 1,000 is 1,100, and I do get to color another llama because each llama is worth 100. Let me get my pen. I got this cute little case from the Happy Planner. that I just put all of my, like, everything I'm using for cash stuffing, I just put it in here. Just makes things a little bit easier. So I get to color in this little guy. Cool. So that one's all done, and I have 1,100. Okay. Nice. So now next, I'm done with this. I'm gonna put that aside. Next, I'm going to do my savings challenges. So I have, go to the back. Roll the dice, which I've already chosen, or already rolled. So I'm doing 8. So let me take care of that, and then I will roll again. So $8 into roll the dice. So 5s. And then I color this in. Oh, I didn't get a sticky note. I need to get a sticky note. So I'm going to do a 5 and a 3. So the next 5 is here. And then 3 is here. Cool. Now I'm just going to roll again. So I got my little dice here. And I got a sticky note, new one. Okay. So how many times am I gonna roll? 5 times. Okay, so this will be a nice stuffing next week, which I actually have a little bit more money next week, so that works out very nicely. So 2, another 2, 3, 5, and 2. All right, so I have 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14 is gonna go in here next. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, yeah, 14. Okay, so $14 into that next week. That will knock out a good amount next week, so that's good. And then the next one I'm gonna do is, I can do this one, which I'm going to put in 18. So 10, a 5, and 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna color it in off camera, but I'm just going to do the 18 in here. Okay, so I have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, perfect. So that one's all done. And then next is the 52-week challenge, which I'm doing 20. So it's this 20 right here. I'm just gonna check this off. So now I have 365. Yeah, 365 in here now. Almost done with this challenge, so that's good. Next week I'm gonna do, since I have a little bit more, I'm gonna do, I could do 3, but I'll probably do 2. For sure I'll do 2. All right, now I'm going to go over, I'm only left with 5s and 1s. So I'm going to see how many 5s I have. Actually, let me see how much I have left over from my wallet in total. So I have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, $27. So these 5s are gonna go into the $5 challenge. And then these ones will just go into the $1 challenges, which I have a bunch of ones this week. So this one, I get to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $25 in. And I'm just gonna color in 5 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I've never finished one of these like completely. Like at the end of the month, whatever I have done in it, that's all I'm doing. But I'm pretty close to finishing this off. I might be able to do the whole thing, which is exciting. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this in here. And then the rest are all ones, which I'm gonna put into my $1 challenges. Well, they're like a $2 and a $3 challenge. So let's see how many ones I have in total. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I have 20. So I can do, I think 6 into the $3 and the rest into the $2, and that should be fine. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that'll be $3 challenge, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 into the $2 challenge. Okay, that works out. So I'll be able to color in 2 of these. So 1 and 2, and this one. Oh. This out. Still got a ways to go, but at least I'm knocking these out. Now that I'm not focusing on the $1 challenge, I'm just focusing on these, so these are getting done pretty quick. And I have 14 here, so I can color in 7 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Cool. So that's 14 in here. Alright, so that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching me cash stuff for the week. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I have more content like this and also planner related content if you're interested. But yeah, definitely subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.